Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we have made it through 2020 and we are in 2021. So I hope your new year is getting off to a great start. Happy New Year to all of you. So we are at Dollar General and we're about to get into some 5 off of 25 all digital deals that anyone can do at Dollar General. And we are going to get started today talking about a couple new food deals that have popped up that would be great items to add into your 5 off of 25 that I want to make sure that you are aware of. The first thing we are going to grab today is these Jif to go peanut butter cups. And you want to find these in the $1 food section within Dollar General. They're not going to be by the regular peanut butter, but these right here are $1 a piece. So $2 for 2, and then we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that does work on these, making them absolutely free. Yes, free 99 for peanut butter. The next thing I want to talk about is the Milky Way and the Skittles. So select varieties of the Milky Way and the Skittles. So some of the varieties that are included are the Milky Way salted caramel and the Skittles duo. I'll put a picture of it up on the screen, are included in this deal where they are on sale 2 for $1. And then we have a 2 off of 7 Dollar General coupon. So when you combine those two promotions, what you can do is you can grab 8 of these, 2 for $1. So 8 of them are going to cost you $4. But that 2 off of 7 digital coupon is working. So 8 of them will end up costing you, guess what, y'all? Just $2. So I'm going to pick up 8 of these today, and we're in the clearance section because these are sitting over here, but they probably will be in the regular section in your store. So look in both places. The next thing we're going to grab is some Mucinex. So these are $5.50 regular price, but we have a $5 digital coupon, making them just 50 cents for the Mucinex. Now the next thing we're going to grab is some Flintstone vitamins. So these are $6.25 and we have a $4 digital coupon, making them just $2.25. Now these will not show up in your app because this particular UPC of Flintstones that is in the store is not downloaded in the app. So what you want to do is you want to actually just manually type in the barcode. Here is the barcode here that you can type into your app if you want to make sure that it pulls up, or you can actually just come into the store and scan it and it will pull up on your app, attaching to the $4 coupon. The next freebie that you want to know about for Saturday is this Crest toothpaste. So the baking soda plus peroxide whitening that is 5.7 ounce is glitching once again and attaching to our $2 digital coupon. So you can grab one of these. It is a great filler item and these will be just free 99. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to put these deals all together with some great low out-of-pocket 5 off of 25 scenarios. And we're going to start off with a couple Gain deals. So the first deal that we are going to do, we're going to grab one of these Gain 51 counts. These are $13.50. We got a $3 digital coupon. The next item we're going to grab is a Gain fabric softener. You can get one of these big bottles right here that are 90 ounces, or you can get one of the bigger bottles of fireworks that are $6.95 as well. We have a $2 digital coupon. Now in this first scenario, what I really wanted to grab was one of the FREEBIES plugs, the double counts that are $9.50, because we have that nice $5 digital coupon. But my store is completely wiped out, and I'm sure that a lot of your stores will be wiped out too. So I'm going to show you this scenario so you can have an alternate, but check down below because I will have the written breakdown for the first scenario that I planned in case you do have this item in stock. Alright you guys, so this is my first all digital scenario and this deal is thebomb.com. So with this deal, this totals up to $25.95 worth of product. You have your Gain fabric softener for $6.95. We're going to be using the $2 digital. You have your 51 count Gain flings for $13.50. We are going to use the $3 digital, and then you have a Mucinex for $5. We are going to, it's $5.50, so we're going to use the $5 digital. So this totals up to $25.95 worth of product. So that qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 and our 5 off of 20 Gain. So it's $25.95, and we are going to have a total of $20 in coupon savings. We have $10 in store coupons for the 5 off of 20 gain and the 5 off of 25. We have $5 in manufacturer digitals for the 2 gain products, the $3 and the $2, and then we have $5 off for the Mucinex. So that is a total of $20 in coupon savings. So that will bring our out-of-pocket cost to just $5.95 for this deal, which is absolutely amazing. Now with these gain coupons, you want to be careful, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do the FREEBIES plugs in this transaction instead of these two together, because the $2 digital coupon that works for this product will also work for this product. So what you want to do to make sure that they are attached properly, if you find that your $3 digital is not coming off because it's attaching, the $2 is attaching to this, you want to have the cashier scan this, press total, so that $2 can work and attach to that, and then add that in, and so your $3 digital will attach to that, and then everything else should work as planned. Now let me show you one more gain deal. Now on this next gain scenario, I want to show you a deal if you got these $2.50 off of 2 digital coupons on your account that have to be exclusive, because I don't have them on all of my accounts. But if you do have this $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon, I want to show you what you can do with it with a gain scenario. Now this is our second gain transaction. Now this is if you have that $2.50 off of 2 exclusive coupon, you can get stocked up on your gain flings tomorrow. So this totals up to $25.40 worth of product. Once again, that's going to qualify us to use that 5 off of 25. We're going to be able to use our 5 off of 20 gain. We have the crest that is going to be $2 but free with the $2 digital coupon, and then we have our 2 Jif to goes. Those are going to be free with the 2 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we're going to use that $3 on the gain flings. So that is a total of $19.50 in coupon savings, leaving us to pay just $5.90 for this deal. Yes, y'all, just $5.90. Once again, that is thebomb.com. Now, if gain is not your thing, I want to show you a deal that you can do tomorrow without gain included, or perhaps maybe you're at one of those few stores that doesn't honor the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 gain. I want to show you a low out-of-pocket deal that you can do. So in this deal, we're going to start off with one of the Puffs tissues. So these are $1.60. We're going to use the 75-cent off digital coupon. Then we're going to grab one of these Tide Oxy. So these are $6.95. This is the 75-ounce bottle, and this is the only Tide Simply that works with this digital coupon. So you want to make sure that you grab this one only. But we have a $2 digital, making this just $4.95. All right, you guys, so this is our next all digital deal, and this totals up to $25.30 in product. And in this deal, I grabbed one of the $3 toothpaste instead of the free ones because I needed to make sure that we would be over $25. So note that I have that $3 toothpaste, and we're going to be using the $2 digital, making that $1. So because this is $25.35 worth of product, once again, we qualify to use that 5 off of 25. We're going to use the 2 off of 2 digital for the Jif. We're going to use our $2 digital for the Tide, the $2 digital for the Crest, 75-cent digital for the Puffs, $5 digital for the Mucinex, and the $4 digital for the Flintstones. That totals up to $20.75 worth of coupons. That's going to leave us to pay just $4.55 for this deal. Yes, y'all, $4.55. And now I want to show you one last deal. If you need to get some toilet paper, I'm going to show you how you can stock up tomorrow for the low. So what we're going to do is we are going to do our Scott Instant Savings deal, where if you spend $15 in Scott products, you will save $3 instantly. So we're going to pick up 3 of these toilet papers for $5 a piece. So this is our complete Scott deal, and this is super easy. So because we're doing an instant savings, we need to make sure that our total is going to be $25 after the cashier presses total, and that $3 in instant savings applies. So our total has to be at least $28 for this deal. So I have a total here of $28.75 with all of these products. So we have the 3 Scott toilet paper, that's $15. We got the Mucinex for $5.50, the Flintstones for $6.25, and then our free Crest toothpaste at $2. So after all of our instant savings, our 5 off of 25, and then our digital coupons, the $5 Mucinex, the $4 for the Flintstones, and the $2 for the Crest, we won't be using any coupons on the Scott. That brings our total down to just $9.75. $9.75 all digital. Now, if you have the 75-cent off printable coupons from the Scott website and your store accepts those, you can add that into the deal and make this deal even cheaper. All right, you guys, so I hope these deals were helpful to you all. I want to test out these glitches before I leave the store tonight. So since it is a new month and I do have a 3 off of 15 on one of my accounts, I'm going to go ahead and do a deal tonight, and we're going to test out the Mucinex and the Jif and all of that just to make sure it is all a go. So the 3 off of 15, since it is a new month, you want to check your account to see if you have one. Those can be found in the Just For You section of your account. They are randomly issued out every single month from Dollar General. Only a few accounts get them for like every 10 that I have. So that is how random that they are, but you definitely want to check to see if you have one, because then you can do your deals during the week and you don't have to wait for Saturday. So this is going to be my little test deal with the 3 off of 15 coupon. This totals up to $19.75 worth of product. After all of my digitals are applied, the 2 off of 7 for the candy, the $4 for the Flintstones, the $2 coupons for each one of these, and the $5 for this, I should pay just $1.75 for all of these items tonight. So let's go up to the front and check out and make sure these deals are a go. Alright, you guys, so that was a beautiful situation. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is all of those Milky Way candy bars. That deal is a go. There is the Jif. There is the Crest. So that Jif came out free 99. Crest is free 99. As you can see, the Flintstones work with that $4 digital. And then we got our 50-cent Mucinex. Subtotal was $1.75. And we had a total savings of $21.60 in that deal. So that was so good. So what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to go back in here and get myself stocked up on the Mucinex and the Jif, because I don't think I'm going to feel like getting up early in the morning, and it might be out of stock by that time. So I'm going to go back in here and run myself a couple more deals. But I hope you guys have some happy couponing tomorrow. And once again, Happy New Year. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. I thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.